Welcome back, dear viewers. Today we'll dive deep into the delicious world of Godeungeo Gui, Korea's beloved grilled mackerel dish, and unveil some little-known facts about it. Godeungeo Gui, at first glance, is a simple dish, but its history, significance, and the secrets behind its flavors are vast. Fact number 1. A dish rooted in history. The Korean peninsula, surrounded by the sea on three sides, has relied on mackerel as a staple for centuries. The love for this fish goes back to ancient times, and it's evolved beautifully into the grilled delicacy we know today. Fact number 2. Godeungeo symbolism. In Korean culture, Godeungeo has a deeper meaning than just food. It symbolizes abundance. Due to the way mackerel schools move in large numbers, representing a bountiful harvest or good fortune. Fact number 3. Not just any grill. While it may seem easy, the grilling technique and the grill itself are paramount to achieving that perfect Godeungeo Gui. Traditional grills, made with specific materials, help distribute heat evenly, ensuring that the mackerel gets that perfect golden brown finish. Fact number 4. The salt connection. One might wonder why a fish from the salty ocean needs added salt. The key is the type and timing. Coarse sea salt not only seasons but also draws out the right amount of moisture, giving the fish its crispy skin. Fact number 5. A complete meal. It's not just about the fish. Traditional accompaniments like kimchi, radish salad, and a bowl of hot steamed rice turn this dish into a balanced meal, ensuring you get all your essential nutrients. Fact number 6. The health powerhouse. Mackerel is a nutrition powerhouse. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, proteins, and essential vitamins, it's no wonder that this dish is a favorite for those seeking both taste and health. Fact number 7. An eco-friendly choice. Choosing mackerel is an eco-conscious decision. Unlike some overfished species, mackerels are often considered a more sustainable seafood option, making your meal both delicious and environmentally responsible. From the shores of ancient Korea to modern dining tables, Godeungeo Gui is more than just a dish. It's a taste of culture, history, and love. Next time you savor this grilled marvel, remember the stories it carries with every bite. Thanks for joining us today. If you enjoyed this dive into the world of Godeungeo Gui, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more enlightening food journeys. Until next time.